Primavera P6 is used for planning, tracking and managing projects or programs, usually used for creating project schedules, budgets and tracking project progress, etc. Primavera P6 Professional 16.2 is used in this course. Let's look how projects are structured in Primavera P6. At the top level we have EPS are divided into project are WBS and WBS are activities and activities are in sub-activities. Let's know about one by one. EPS is enterprise project structure. It includes all programs or projects of an enterprise organization. Structure according to requirements of organization. For example, a company may have manufacturing, construction, maintenance divisions. So it may set up EPS as a manufacturing, construction and maintenance. Projects WBS. Here we have projects. What is project? Project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product or service. It is a definite start and an end. It is not repetitive. Examples of projects include construction of new office building, creating a new software, manufacturing a new car with better mileage, etc. WBS is called work breakdown structure. Each project is further divided into manageable smaller chunks of works or deliverables called WBS. For example, one project can be divided in hardware, software and testing. WBS can be divided up to any number of levels depending upon requirements of projects. Activities. WBS are further divided into tasks or activities. These are tasks that need to be performed to produce the deliverables. For instance, under software WBS of mobile phone project, we can have activities of writing code, testing code, etc. Activities can be further break down into sub-activities if such a detail is needed. As we can see in this EPS manufacturing project start phone 1, we want to manufacture our start phone. So it's come and project and then project are divided into WBS and WBS software, hardware, testing of start phone. More activities in software, WBS of hardware and testing. It was short introduction.